boot for some reason. Hello everyone, big game out here.
How's crazy life here?
Today we're in Northampton doing a Cex and Charity shop hunt. Right,
Yeah.
let's go see what we can find. We are at the Grove of the Centre, a few bits on here. Here's our friend, must be Dave. And we've got a little entertainer here. Card shop, it's quite a nice little place. Waiting again for Kaz to come down the lift because she didn't want to use the escalators. Let's look for her. Here she comes. Kaz is off to Card Factory. Got a few handbag things, Lush. Quite a nice little shopping centre. Don't know where Cex is now. Probably outside. We're still on the hunt for Pokemon cards. Sadly, not them ones though. Oh, I've just come out of the shopping centre. And this is what we met with outside. Looks quite nice. I'll stop down there. Right. Let's go have a look around. We've taken Kaz down a dodgy back alleyway.
Oh no.
Because we're going to get some breakfast because we're starving. And just up here is meant to be the Weatherspoons. So let's go see if it is. And here it is. Where are we, Kaz? Weatherspoons. What's it called? Alright, we're here. So it's called the Cordwainer. Right, and we're going in. So we'll have a breakfast. Plenty of choices. Yummy American pancakes with bacon. Kaz got a freedom breakfast. Gone for a lemonade. Kaz had an orange juice, which is finished theirs already.
Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice, was it? Oh, yummy. Right, first charity shop here. We've got this scope, quite a big one. Got a home store as well. Right, let's go check out inside here. We've got a few in here. Two. I haven't seen that for a while on the PC. Yeah, nothing worth getting. Next up, Salvation Army. Great big one, this one, Superstore. Got a few in here. Nothing worth getting though. Nice statue here with a local singer behind it. Lovely little church here in the middle of Northampton. Still looking for some more charity shops. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you that one. That one's quite a nice one. Alright, we have made it to Cex. We'll have a look in the window, see what they've got. Got a great deal of mine, looks like a lot of modern stuff. Got a Super Nintendo, black GameCube. Yeah, right, let's get inside and see what they've actually got in here. Next up, Cancer Research UK. They are open. Please push this door. Nothing from here, sadly. Got some puzzles. That's about it. Just round the corner, they've got another Cancer Research UK. Let's go check this one out. Again, no games in here. Up we go. Do we need to that level?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Well, matey.
Right, and we are back in the games room after being in Northampton. What did I think of Northampton? It wasn't the nicest of places. There was some people doing some illegal substances on the street, shall we say. And not the sort you smoke. It was inside a defibrillator style, like an old phone box that turned into like a defibrillator place, and there was a nice level top on top of the defibrillator. Let's just say they was using that. But yeah, other than that, it wasn't too bad. I did pick up one of my nicest looking games, I suppose, from Northampton. Yeah, I'll show you what it is first of all. So we have got Street Fighter 6, I believe it is. Don't know. Could be Street Fighter 6. It's got like a thing on it. What's it on the label? Yeah, should have read that. Street Fighter 6. But yeah, comes in this lovely slip cover. It's normally means one of two things. It's just a basic game inside, or it's a steelbook. Yes, so we paid £15 in credit for this. But I must say, it's absolutely fantastic steelbook this. Look at that. Look at the quality. Now, I would show off my Street Fighter knowledge and tell you all the characters. I know that one's Guile, is it? Something like that. But I can't tell you when the others are. But anyway, the artwork continues. So we've got inside as well, a few different fighters in there. I'll take the game out. Look at that. Trying not to get the light on it, to get the glare. But absolutely fantastic. So yeah, for £15, don't know if I'm going to play it or not, but I probably will. I don't mind Street Fighter, just not very good at it. It's good for if I have people over and you're looking for something to play. There's 2 players or more. So yeah, that's what I picked up. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and going just up the road now to another place in Northampton. So you might guess that. But yeah, I just need to say thank you all for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.